Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I told you how to make a new document or saving a document and giving the password. Today I am telling you how to close the document. If you want to close the document, you can see on the screen. You have to click on the file tab and one option will come to you, close. You have to click on it. And one more thing, before closing it you have to save your document. If you don't save your document, the one dialog box will come to you, which is here on the screen. You can see here it is saying that do you want to save the change you made on the document 1. Means before closing the document, if you don't have to save it, this dialog box will come to you, which is asking that document is not saved, do you want to save it. If you click on the save, it will ask the name from you to the document, and if you don't want to save it, it will not save the document and the document will be closed. And cancel for cancelling the close option. What is the difference between the closing a document and exiting a document? In the upper right corner of the MS window, I show you one button, close window, which was having icon of the cross. If you click on that, you will exit from the word window. Means you will not be able to open any other MS document file. But if you are closing the document, in that case you can open the other document file. मीन्स इन शॉर्ट आई एम टेलिंग यू कि अगर आप MS वर्ड के एग्ज़िट बटन पे क्लिक करते हैं तो आपकी MS वर्ड की विंडो क्लोज हो जाएगी और आप कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट ओपन नहीं कर पाएंगे। जबकि अगर आप क्लोज़ बटन पे क्लिक करते हैं तो आपकी जो फ़ाइल ओपन है वो फ़ाइल ही बंद होगी और आप किसी और फाइल को ओपन कर सकते हैं या नई फाइल बना सकते हैं। The next one function in the MS Word is opening a document. In the file tab, one more option is here, open. If you click on that, this one dialog box will come to you, which is asking the name of the document which you want to open. Means you are working on a particular document and you want to open any one other document, you have to click on the open option in the file tab. This dialog box will come to you and select the name of the document which you want to open and click on the open button. That document will come on the Word window. Next one is editing the word. Suppose you want to perform the editing in the MS Word. For example, you want to change the size of the font, you want to change the face of the font. For that you have to select the font. As you can see, one paragraph is selected. You can select this paragraph by using the arrow of the mouse, and after selecting it, from the toolbar, home toolbar, different tools are given for changing the font size, font color, font design, etc. You can delete this one paragraph also by pressing delete key. Next one is copying the text. As I told you that you can select the paragraph, and after selecting it you can make it copy. For making the copy, right click of the mouse, one pop-up menu will come to you. Select the copy button, and after that where you want to bring this text, go there, means bring your arrow there with the help of mouse and right click the mouse. The same pop-up menu will come to you and select the paste button. Shortcut keys are also there. For copying you can press Ctrl C, and for pasting you can press Ctrl V. Students, if you have any problem you can ask on the WhatsApp number. Thank you.